Efficaciousness of ADR Techniques and Processes. Alternative Dispute Resolution, ADR, stands as an example of efficient, cost-effective, and collaborative conflict resolution methods, offering a compelling alternative to traditional court litigation. In a world where disputes are inevitable, ADR processes like mediation, arbitration, negotiation, and conciliation provide a streamlined approach to resolving conflicts without the complexities and delays of the courtroom. ADR techniques have gained widespread acclaim for their ability to preserve relationships, foster open communication, and tailor solutions to the unique needs of the parties involved. Its efficiency is notable. ADR often delivers swift resolutions, making it invaluable in time-sensitive scenarios. Furthermore, its cost-effectiveness opens the doors of justice to a broader spectrum of individuals and businesses. ADR's emphasis on cooperation and customization ensures that outcomes are not just legally sound but also satisfying to the parties, fostering a spirit of understanding and harmony. Alternative Dispute Resolution, ADR, methods and techniques are widely recognized for their effectiveness in resolving disputes in various fields. Their success is due to several important factors. Efficiency and timeliness. ADR can be more cost-effective than going to court. Traditional litigation involves significant legal fees, court costs, and lengthy proceedings. ADR methods, such as mediation and negotiation, often require fewer resources, making them more economical for parties involved in the dispute. Example, in a construction dispute, where project delays can be costly, parties may opt for arbitration to quickly resolve issues related to contractual obligations, ensuring the project proceeds on schedule. Cost-effectiveness. ADR can be more cost-effective than going to court. Traditional litigation involves significant legal fees, court costs, and lengthy proceedings. ADR methods, such as mediation and negotiation, often require fewer resources, making them more economical for parties involved in the dispute. Example, in a business contract dispute, the parties may choose mediation to address issues without incurring substantial legal costs, allowing them to allocate resources more efficiently. Flexibility and informality. ADR allows for customized solutions that address the unique needs and interests of the parties involved. Unlike court decisions that are more rigid, ADR processes provide flexibility in tailoring agreements, fostering a sense of ownership and satisfaction among the disputing parties. Example, in family mediation, divorcing parents have the flexibility to create a parenting plan tailored to the unique needs and preferences of their children, something a court might not achieve. Confidentiality. Many ADR processes, such as mediation and arbitration, offer a confidential environment. This confidentiality encourages parties to be more open and candid during discussions, leading to more effective problem-solving and resolution without the fear of public disclosure. Example, in workplace mediation to address employee disputes, confidentiality ensures that sensitive information is kept private, fostering a more honest and constructive dialogue. Expertise in specific fields. ADR processes often involve neutral third parties with expertise in the relevant field. This ensures that decisions are informed, impartial, and based on a clear understanding of the subject matter. The neutrality of ADR practitioners contributes to the credibility and acceptance of the resolution. Example, in a complex international trade dispute involving technical specifications, parties may choose arbitrators with industry-specific knowledge to make well-informed decisions. Enforceability of decisions. Arbitral awards and mediated settlement agreements are often legally binding and enforceable. This feature ensures that parties can rely on the agreed-upon terms, adding a level of certainty and finality to the resolution. Example, two businesses in different countries opt for international arbitration to resolve a contractual dispute. The resulting arbitral award is recognized globally, providing a reliable and enforceable resolution. Promotion of win-win outcomes. ADR techniques, such as negotiation and collaborative law, aim to find mutually beneficial solutions. This focus on win-win outcomes contributes to the satisfaction of all parties involved. Example, in a business negotiation over a partnership agreement, the parties collaboratively address concerns and interests, resulting in an agreement that benefits both sides and fosters a positive ongoing relationship. Access to justice. ADR mechanisms provide a more accessible and user-friendly alternative to traditional litigation. They empower individuals and businesses, ensuring that justice is not only reserved for those with significant resources. Example, in a consumer dispute with an online retailer, the use of online dispute resolution (ODR) allows the consumer to efficiently address the issue without the need for costly and time-consuming court proceedings. Cultural sensitivity. ADR processes can be adapted to accommodate cultural nuances and preferences. This cultural sensitivity is particularly important in international disputes where parties may come from diverse cultural backgrounds. Example, in a cross-border business dispute, the parties opt for culturally sensitive mediation, ensuring that the resolution process respects and incorporates cultural differences, promoting a more inclusive and satisfactory outcome. Reduced emotional strain. ADR processes often reduce the emotional strain associated with traditional litigation. Mediation and collaborative law, in particular, provide a more supportive and less adversarial environment. Example, in a family dispute over inheritance, the parties choose mediation to minimize emotional stress. The mediator facilitates constructive conversations, allowing family members to express their concerns and reach a resolution with reduced emotional strain. Empowerment of parties. ADR empowers parties to actively participate in the resolution of their disputes. Unlike traditional court settings, parties engaged in ADR have a direct influence on the outcome. Example, in a workplace conflict, employees opt for peer mediation. This empowers them to take an active role in resolving the issue, fostering a sense of responsibility and ownership over the resolution process. Preservation of relationships. ADR techniques, especially mediation and collaborative law, emphasize open communication and collaborative problem solving. This focus on dialogue rather than adversarial confrontation helps preserve relationships, which is crucial in contexts like family disputes or business partnerships where ongoing collaboration is desirable. Example, in a business partnership dispute, collaborative law may be chosen to maintain a working relationship. Prevention of future disputes. ADR processes often address the underlying issues and interests of the parties, leading to more comprehensive solutions. By understanding the root causes of the dispute, ADR can contribute to the prevention of future conflicts, promoting long-term stability and cooperation. Example, in a business dispute over a contract, the parties choose negotiation with the assistance of a facilitator. The facilitated negotiation not only resolves the immediate issue but also identifies strategies to prevent similar disputes in the future. Adaptability to diverse dispute types. ADR techniques are adaptable to a wide range of disputes, from interpersonal conflicts to complex business disagreements. Whether the dispute involves financial matters, interpersonal relationships, or complex legal issues, ADR provides versatile and effective resolution mechanisms. Example, in a community facing tensions over a proposed development project, community members engage in restorative justice processes. The adaptability of restorative justice allows for a community-specific resolution that addresses both individual concerns and broader community implications. Global applicability. ADR is applicable globally and is recognized across jurisdictions. International agreements, such as the New York Convention, facilitate the enforcement of arbitral awards, making ADR an effective tool for resolving cross-border disputes and promoting global business and trade. Example, two multinational corporations involved in a cross-border dispute choose international arbitration. The global applicability of the arbitral award ensures that the resolution is enforceable across different jurisdictions,